What if I told you that you could get unlimited Xbox gift card codes if you just followed every single one of the steps that I'm going to outline in today's video? Make sure to set this video to 0.5 times speed because I'm going to talk fast and I don't want to waste any of your time. But let me tell you guys, this method has been working for me and every single one of my friends, meaning that if you guys don't make this video full screen and watch it till the end, you are going to be missing out. With that all being said, let's get right into the method. So the first thing you guys are going to do is that you're going to want to get on your phone just like me, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and download CashApp. Just look up CashApp in the App Store or Google Play Store, or you could go ahead and download CashApp using my link in the description. If you guys already have CashApp downloaded, go ahead and create a fresh CashApp account using the exact same information as your previous account. After you guys create your entirely new CashApp account, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the top right where it says the little profile button. You're going to want to scroll down to where it says referral code. Once you guys get there, you're going to want to enter in this exact referral code just like this. I'm going to include this referral code in the description as well, so if you guys want to, you can just copy and paste it. All you guys are going to have to put in is TSQQV7H. Just like that, guys. Again, TSQQV7H, and then go ahead and hit enter. After you guys hit enter, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to linked banks and add a link a debit card or a bank account. And then finally, you're going to want to go to the pay button, enter in $5, hit pay, and then pay someone in your contacts $5. You guys could also pay my Cash App account. My cash tag is XavierYT2. For full transparency, I will also be getting a free $10, but this $10 will come at literally no cost to you, and it would be kind of silly for anybody to say no to literally a free $10. Once you guys follow those steps, the $10 will show up in your cash balance right here. If you guys want to, you can literally just cash out the money and put it directly back into your bank account, which then you guys can use that money to buy Xbox gift card codes. This is the method that me and my friends have personally been using. Sometimes I'll go on here and I'll create a bunch of different Cash App accounts, and then I'll go ahead and do every single one of those methods, and I'll make myself like a free $100, which then I can use for any Xbox gift card that I want. Also, if you guys wanted to, you could sign up for the Cash App card, which essentially is a completely free debit card that you guys can get sent to you in the mail that will have actual debit card details that you can then enter into Xbox to then buy some Xbox gift card codes. Next up, you guys are going to want to go back to the App Store or the Google Play Store, and you're going to want to download Adole. Adole is a super easy survey app you guys could literally be using right now today to make almost $30 an hour. As you guys can see, I have made hundreds of dollars using Adole, which then I can go ahead and withdraw that money into either my PayPal account or a gift card balance. And if you guys want to make some entirely free money from Adole, all you got to do is that after you sign up, you want to go to the My Profile section. You're going to want to scroll down to where it says enter referral code, and you're going to want to enter in this exact referral code. The referral code you're going to want to enter is going to be JCCGC, just like that. And then once you guys do that, you will get a free 50 cents added to your Adole balance. Also, I'm going to go ahead and include a link to download Adole in the description, so you guys can just download it directly from there. Next up, I would recommend going back to the App Store or going back to my description box and downloading Eureka. Eureka is another fantastic paid survey app that you guys could also make a literal free $30 an hour from on top of Adole. And then as you guys can see right here, you could literally make a buck. You guys could literally make over $1.50 just for 5 minutes of your time, meaning that you guys could literally make $30 an hour combining both of these systems. Also, if you guys go ahead and sign up using either my share code, which it will prompt you guys to enter in when you're creating your Eureka account, which my share code is 8UXHGY, you will get a $1 survey upon sign up that will literally take you 10 seconds to fill out. Plus, you guys can go to the cash out section right here and cash out either with a bank transfer or a virtual Visa card or a PayPal account or Amazon, Walmart, any of these other places. So then you guys can use that to fund future Xbox gift card balances. Now, the last thing I would recommend checking out is going to the first link in the description and going to my school page called F University. F University is literally the only platform in the entire world where I will literally teach you how to go from $1 to $1 million. As you guys can see right here, we have methods inside teaching you from going to $1 to $1,000 to $1,000, $1,000 to $10,000. 10,000 to 100,000, 100,000, and then 100,000 to $1 million. Plus, we have a 100,000 no risk credit funding guide, as well as a personal branding guide. Meaning that you guys are missing out big time if you don't get into F University right now. Plus, once we hit 100 members, I'm going to be increasing the subscription price to $100 a month. But if you guys get it at the price that it's listed at right now, you will be grandfathered into that price permanently. On top of that, if you guys check out this video on the F University page, you don't even have to buy F University. That video will teach you two things. Number one, it'll teach you literally how to get $1,000 for completely free today. It'll teach you a method that you guys can use today to make an easy $1,000. Second, it's going to teach you how to get into F University lifetime, regardless of what the price is at, for completely free. Because I don't care about the money I'd make from F University. I only charge to make people serious, because once you make people pay money, that's when they start to get serious about the information, because information is useless without application. And the fastest way to make someone apply information is to make them pay for it. But if you guys follow the method listed inside of that video, I will go ahead and give you a lifetime subscription to F University for completely free. So make sure to check out F University. It's going to be the first link in the description, as well as all the other links I've mentioned in the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.